Hi, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a patient 12-month update from a kid who lives out of the area. And he's a younger guy, I think he's 25 or something, who came in looking like this. And that's a big problem.
It is, yeah.
Plus, he's got very fine hair. And we talked about doing 2 cases. And so we did 3,000 grafts right up front. And this is him at the end of the case. And I think he stayed a few days to clean, but he did a decent job. And then he sent these pictures at 6 months, and it's growing. And then he just sent these pictures at 1 year, and was really happy.
And he looks good.
And he's got the same head as a Marine officer we did last year, who sent 6-month pictures recently and just got married, and an Army Special Forces guy that we did. All 3 could be brothers. So to summarize, younger guys need to have a more mature hairline, frugally spend that donor hair, keep it good and clean, and stay in touch with us. We like getting these updates, and he knows he'll need another case at some point in the future. We're available whenever he is. So if you're a younger guy, make sure you pack the area you're working on. Don't spread it out all over. Pack it and do it right.
Yes.
If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.